Hi, Dr. David Kulla here with Synergy Wellness. We have a police officer here who has mid-back pain radiating into his ribs and what might be like the start of costochondritis. But what it has to do with is the fact that he's standing all day. And his shifts are actually much longer than a normal person's 6 to 8 hour shift. You're doing what, 12-hour shifts? 12-hour tours, and they're standing all day with a lot of weight around their belt, the gun, all the other equipment that's around their belt. So a lot of people suffer from this. If you have achy pain across your middle back region, tightness, almost feels weak, like you just want to collapse or just lay down and rest. If you get that feeling and you've been walking a lot or standing a lot, it usually means there's a weakness of your paraspinal muscles, your thoracic paraspinal muscles. So there's a couple of great exercises that you can do. I'm gonna put them at the end of this video, but they're basically Superman exercise is one of them. And that's where you put your arms, your hands up. Do you know the Superman exercise? Yep, so he's gonna raise his arms, his chest and head off the table, and then he's gonna raise his legs here off. Yep, just like that, and then relax. Do it again and hold it at the top for 3 seconds. Yep, and relax. That's the Superman exercise. You can also do this at the gym as well, but after a few weeks of strengthening your paraspinal muscles, you won't have that problem anymore. It'll take 2-3 hours for you to stand all day to start feeling that achiness, and you just keep strengthening it over the few weeks, and it takes about 6 to 8 weeks, but once you strengthen those thoracic paraspinal muscles, you will not have that achy, sore kind of weakness, feeling like it feels weak after a while, like you just want to lay down, right? So you see here I have cups on them. We're just doing that to release the spasms in the thoracic area and the paraspinal muscles. And we've already adjusted him, but just wanted to show you guys that because it's really common to see people with back pain across the middle of the back after standing mostly for a long period of time. Again, if you have that problem, just strengthen your thoracic or paraspinal muscles in the thoracic region with the Superman exercise. And that's it, and you'll get rid of that problem, okay? Go ahead, sit up for me. Thanks for tuning in.
Start in a standing position against a wall. Flatten your back against the wall, attempting to get the back of your head on the wall. Flatten your shoulder blades against the wall and hold your arms by your side touching the wall. Lift your arms out to the side and upwards, maintaining contact with the wall as much as possible. Return to the start position and repeat. Start in a kneeling position with your hands under your shoulders, and knees under your hips. Your back should be flat and your gaze between your hands. Tighten your pelvic floor and core stability muscles, tensing your abdominal muscles. Holding this position, raise one arm and the opposite leg, straightening them away from one another. Ensure your back remains flat. Holding this position, make a fist with your elevated hand, then simultaneously draw a square with your hand and foot. Move your limbs out, down, in and up. Lie on your front with your arms and legs out straight, and your head looking at the floor. Initiate your core stability muscles and pelvic floor. Lift the opposite arm and leg off the floor, whilst keeping your body as still as possible. Control the movement as you lower them back down and repeat with the other pair. The aim of this exercise is to keep your body as still as possible whilst moving your arm and leg.
Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.